Here is how to edit a PDF completely for free, and you can add text, images, or shapes, whatever you want to add.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
You don't need to expensive software like Acrobat or any other paid software. It's completely free. So let's do it. Go to this website. Link in the description. Click Edit PDF. Upload your file. Now you can add text, images, or shape using the toolbar. Click Save and download your edited file. Voila, done. Right into your browser. In the next video, we'll learn how to convert a Word to PDF.